Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to apply TNAU PG 2022 entrance examination application. First open browser and search tnau.ac.in. Then click first link. Scroll down. In home page the link is running application invited for TNAU postgraduate admission. So click that. Then scroll down. These are all the important date given by TNAU. Notification and start date of online application June 27th. Last date for application August 8th. Notification for online entrance test August 11th. Conduction of mock test and online main entrance examination August 27th. Mock test will conducted at morning session and afternoon session will be our main entrance exam. The notification of selection list second week of September. They will release only name and allotted college. They not release any marks. Then admission and payment of fees third week of September. Third week of September we have to pay our fees and confirm the seat. Then registration of monsoon semester fourth week of September. So we have to register our course after remaining fees payment. So next click apply now. Before filling the application form, we have to register. So, enter your name as mentioned in 10th mark sheet. Okay, enter your name in capital letter. Then give your email ID, active email ID. Now you are using now. Then give your active mobile number. For you will be get notification. Then give your password. The password should be your date of birth, date, month, year without slash between the date, month and year. Okay. Next we have to select our state. Then we have to select our city or nearby taluk. Fill the captcha. Then click I agree and click register. After you will be get a mail from TNAU. You just open the mail and click validate email option. Okay, then we will proceed. So click back to home. Then again scroll below and enter existing user and login. Okay, enter your email ID and enter your password, that date of birth and login. Now you have to select degree you last studied. Okay, don't select BSc AG and BSc Agri. Okay, just scroll down, then select BSc Honors Agriculture or BSc Honors Horticulture Forestry. Okay, click one. Then you have to select subject preference 1, which subject you want to do MSc. Okay, click that subject. Then you have to select campus preference. Up to 4 campus we have to give preference. So select that your preference order. Next, subject preference 2. If you are interested in another subject, if you want to apply another subject entrance exam, so you have to click that next subject and give the same procedure for campus preferences up to 4 campuses. Then third subject, if you want to apply third subject, you have to select the third preference and the same campus selection option. So if you apply for one subject, they will charge 1500 rupees. If you will apply 2 subject preference, they will charge 3000. If you apply 3 subject means they will charge 4500 rupees. Okay. Next, applicant details: first name, email address and mobile number. These details we filled in first page itself. So we have to fill our date of birth, select your gender, select your blood group, then select your nationality, then select your religion. If you are differently abled, give that information yes or no. Then fill your Aadhaar number. Okay. Then select category. After enter code number of community, click that blue color click here button. Then you will be get one PDF. In this PDF, you can find out your community code number. So search this and enter code number of community. Then select name of your community. Then you have to fill father detail. Fill your father name in capital letters. Then give your father's mobile number. Then father's email ID. If you have father's email ID, you will give, otherwise no need. Then give mother's details, mother name, mother's mobile number and mother's email ID. Okay, then click next. Now you have to fill academic details. So fill your college or university name, type of college, constituent or affiliated, click that. Then select your name of university. Okay. Next, course, we already filled that. Then duration is 4 years. Marking scheme, most of the colleges have OGPA out of 10, click that. Then fill your obtained OGPA in the total 8 semester overall OGPA. Then give fellowship option, no. Then your correspondent address, country, state, district, city and enter your street name. Then enter your pin code is very must. Then if you have same address for communication, give yes, otherwise no, and fill the your communication address. Okay. Then click next. So it will going to upload document page. You have to upload your photograph in JPG or PNG format. Background will be in white or light colored only. Don't use any blue or dark color. And your eyes should be open and clearly visible in that photo. Then photograph should not be more than 6 months old. Okay. Then you go and take new one. The candidate is seen to be wearing cap or sunglasses will be rejected. Okay, so avoid that. Then you have to upload your photo. Okay, the size will be less than 5 MB JPG or PNG format. The same procedure for your signature, and 12th mark sheet will be less than 5 MB in PDF format. Okay, then upload your community certificate and upload your PDC, that means provisional degree certificate, that also less than 5 MB in size. Then upload your transcript card or all semester mark sheets. Okay, in many colleges they will not provide transcript card immediately, so upload your all semester mark sheets. Okay, that also less than 5 MB in single PDF. Okay. Now the application fees for one subject 1500, two subject 3000. If you are applying three subject means they will charge 4500 rupees. Then click yes, I agree. Next, continue. After the page directly going to payment option, you have to pay the application fees. You can apply through UPI, net banking, credit cards. So after your payment, the download option will be showing. So download your application form and save it in safe place. Also you will be get successful notification in email and through your mobile message. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thanks for watching.